do this. Them want to continue to live for them perfect life. But them no matter if them they mess Jayden life up. And so life up. People don't afraid to analyze a person when I do nothing to them. And when for them time come to get catch and pay the penalty, them do everything for hide and not get catch. If they ever forgot hurt somebody else, them do it. That is why we out here now of a fight to get the justice and show up what them do to Jayden. Because we don't have no help. We don't have no help from the police. The police, them, if they were helping us, would have been get arrested. Somebody would have been get arrested already. But there wasn't no police helping us. It's only the bloggers them out here and cry out. There wasn't no family to help with Jayden's situation.
Exactly. Because I said, we saw it on the news, even this morning, a guy was talking and he said that, why no justice? And even if the police even know a situation and know, they make them buy them out and not talk. So I be a culp in a Jamaica, be a culp because they not busy with what I go on. But the moment you talk something, then try if you hunt you down to kill you. And it's like a few seconds, somebody call me and say, you know, so then this kill you to a silly grabber. I say, what you say yes. And then when they come and saw the police, them rush, they go up on the St. Jayden'S police, them run municipal corporation at them have him in a truck. But he pronounced when he reach a Cornwall original in dead.
Wow.
Jamaica, they run away right now.
Jamaica run a real away. I'm going to show you something. I going to come up on it a little. Not today because of Jayden week. There is a little girl that them bully. And the bully her so till she commit, she analyze herself. The parents reach out to Ministry of Education. They don't do nothing about it.
She analyze herself?
Yes. They don't do a thing about it. Just like how we out here night and top of night. And we put out the evidence of the principal. Talking and telling all this life of Jayden. And the Ministry of Education don't even say, make me look into this to see whether or not these people are bluff or they telling the truth. Ministry of Education until now don't even look into this situation. And they're going to wait until one more child gone like Jayden. Then everybody are going to run up and down. Listen, what the sense you have these places and they're not doing shit? What the sense you have these places and you cannot lodge complaint?
We better we homeschool we pity them. We better we homeschool we pity them because even at the school when you said you pity your school, picnic at your school from 7:30, teacher now come till to 9 and say school call 8:30. And at the particular school, my grandson and when me go there, me see them sit down outside, no classroom, no up in, and by the time I start talk and say, I have to tell your man if you move in front of school, because school ain't enough to stay there. But I teacher fly down my throat and say, you don't move him galang, you don't move him galang. Me say, you see your girl, you see you? You no come then yam out poor people money. I don't know teach nobody pitney nothing. All you know come in a school you and pitney and take you pitney the lunch feed phone or pitney. But don't worry yourself. You understand? They no business but nothing. So I go to the principal and I say, Miss, look here. This cannot work. That's why I don't know keep no PTA meeting. But everybody if you take with them pitney make the school lock down.
So guys, hi Diane Jackson.
I'm sorry to know that the little girl analyzing himself because the father did a cry and the pitney and they say nothing like that. And the pitney them say they not tap till they analyze themselves. My God.
Yeah, I seen it today. I never know about it. I just seen it today. Diane Jackson, you have something to say? The problem is They come up here, listen now. They come up here, it can be an accident. When you find out, you can just mute your mic. No, they don't do that. They don't do that. Yeah. But Ministry of Education, you're going to wait until somebody hurt themselves. Then you come back out. You know, I have something to address to. Quick for my personal self. So you see, the consulate in New York, we look about the passport. It's been 1 year and 5 months. I'm going to do a video and I'm going to tag on in it. 1 year and 5 months, I look about my son's passport. On a claim say the pictures come back or to send back the pictures. Say the picture them not do properly. But 5 times. Send it back to on a claim on an email with. Never email with we call on. When we call on give it a run around. Now on finally I look about the passport. And you know what I do? Instead of expedite it, I do it the same long way. 1 year and 5 months, people, may I tell you now, New York consulate, well, look about the Jamaican passport, them slack, them customer service, them don't know how to talk to people, them talk to people yaga, them want to yell for you and show for you, and they collect how much money for look about the passport. Yet still it take 1 year and 5 months still can't get the passport. When I'm done with Uno, they better deal with me right now. But this passport together, 1 year and 5 months and still on a claim passport they are Jamaica same way. On a should have expedite this. On a have money sit down for 1 year and 5 months. And I go round. Not more than on the last the paperwork. You understand? And then on a come back and come make a right side, full back out every form and everything. And then yet still on a expedite it. On a still hold up on the baby passport. Luckily, I have an next passport. Listen, man. Guys, when I'm done with I want to fix you now. I am going to fix you now. I'm going to do a video. A special video, and I'm going to tag on a customer service. They always say Jamaica people don't know how to talk to people. And that's true. Uno not have no little common courtesy and little class. Uno coming like some hooligan. Uno not the customer service. Make a come and fight tonight. Check out who name Anne Marie. One come on. I like the Anne Marie name, you know. Because at 9 months, Jayden got missing and missing Anne Marie up here.
You like it, you can't come now.
Shauna, good night. Come off. Now we're part Anne Marie. This Anne Marie lady I come. I don't know if I the right Anne Marie. I come up. Yes, guys. So may I tell you now. Jayden missing 9 months. Guys, we're done with them now because we're going to do a separate video for them. We're going to do a separate video. Yeah, we keep making black her. Yeah, well, she might be just come up. Yeah, well, we keep like the lady. She might just come up accidentally. Yes.
Aunt Marie at the bottom. Oh, sorry.
9 months today since Jayden gone missing. And guys, let us take some look back and the lies that the family tell.
The messages you're...
You see everything she said is the opposite.
They cannot land to produce the couple that JP is true.
That cause I know too much.
I mean,
Because it's an active investigation that's going on, so they cannot release it. The only thing that they can state is that he was seen on footage or whatever. They are appealing to persons on Perth Road. He was last seen on Perth Road. A lot of houses and night houses are in that area.
You come and let me get the them a talk too much in that. Well, let me get the right one. When them a chat so much in that, you can't hear nothing.
if you're struggling with depression,
When you do an interview, you chat, oh, you can't
I
hear
invite
the
you to meet
people that want to
missionaries like me from the church.
Reach home and I said to him, no, he called me and asked me how much is Jayden'S loan.
Well, go on, man.
My husband cooked the morning when he went up back and give Jayden cook food to go to school. 6:30 they left the house and they went out the road. And my husband carried kids to school, so he dropped Jayden at the roadside at the shop. I went to the opposite direction to pick up his kids to go
like
to
up
the
the
school.
live in a
What time your husband left the hospital?
Either 5:30 or minutes to 6.
And he done cook by 6:30. He reach home and cook by 6:30.
Because we were cooking from the Thursday night, so he just go and finish it.
So how long you live from the hospital? How far? How much minutes away? Half hour, 1 hour?
Well, I cannot say how far it was.
You can't.
You live in Newport and you was in Mandeville at the hospital.
Right.
Okay, so that will be about 15 to 20 minutes drive back home.
Yeah, but maybe about that or maybe half an hour, depends.
Oh,
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna ask a question. Where did Jayden'S and the baby fell from?